Hi everyone, welcome to RECONNECT, one of the very important dedicated initiative for the wind energy professionals. Every week, Saturday 7 p.m. Here we are going to discuss our challenges and what are the opportunities we are coming across and our wins. This is the ultimate aim to support the wind energy professionals to build their. Hi Tamil, welcome. How are you? Can you hear me? Welcome Tamil. Welcome. So after a long time, just I will introduce, then we can start sharing our experience. Okay. Welcome. Welcome to Reconnect. Again, I repeat, it's one of the very important initiative from Resource Development Research Center to support wind energy professionals to share their challenges and get the knowledge and experience or feedback from the people who are participating. Also, share the opportunities available in wind energy sector. Either they may come across in their organizations or within the wind energy sector or within the renewable energy sector, and what are the wins they achieved within this week time. Actually, we schedule it like audio events for every week. Just we recently started. It's a fourth event, I guess, and we can extend this monthly once. We will have it as a Zoom call also. So every week we are sharing our challenges and opportunities and wins. Then we are taking it forward. Some of the challenges recorded using the link what we shared, like a priority questions from every individuals, which is available in the event detail section itself. We can use that form to fill and share any of the dedicated questions, like any particular challenges you have. That also I will share with you. You can fill it out, which we can use it for our Zoom meeting, where we will invite experts to share their solutions during that time. That will be helpful for every one of us. This is the idea. And for everyone, whoever participating, they can share their challenges and they can get the solution from the participants. Also, they can share the opportunities. So without further waiting, with a small introduction, I am R. Mahendran, founder of Sustainable Lifestyle Hub, also Resource Development Research Center. The main aim is to support wind energy professionals and contribute to their sustainable career growth. Okay, I welcome every one of you here. Let us start. And anyone who is interested to share their challenges and the opportunity they are coming across, came across in this week, and the wins they achieved in this week, anything you can share. And you can just ask me to unmute, like if you are interested to speak, then you can share. We can share the allow you to speak. All of you can participate. Don't take this as a like a very formal meeting. Okay, it's like to revamp ourselves, rebuild ourselves, to build ourselves a sustainable career and sustainable life. That is the ultimate aim for this. So you can share your views and any challenges you are facing. If I am expert in that particular field, I will give the answers, or I will get connect with any resource person. They can also like give their opinions, which you can have it from the recordings or in our Zoom meetings and anything. Ganesh and Tamil, anyone interested, you can just you know how to use this app, because it's very recently launched this option. So some of you find it difficult to share. If not, you can unmute and start speaking. I welcome you. Anyone can first join me and then share your experience or any challenges you are facing. That will be great. Did you find how to share it? Like, yes? Yeah. Okay, welcome Tamil. Please. So there is an option, unmute, and you can ask for like speak. Then only I can allow to speak. Please. So meantime, while you are finding what is the way, and then I will share some of the other initiative, which is dedicated initiatives for the wind energy professionals. From sustainable development, like a sustainable lifestyle hub, we also initiated the learning process. Like you might be seeing my videos from this June 1st, like a micro learning, a small. Uh, okay, Tamil, no problem. Anything you can share, whatever the challenges you are facing during that time, you can come and share. No problem. You don't take this as a any like a special event or something like that. We want to make this as a like a very like informal discussion, so that you can find something useful. Okay, so anyone, Ganesh or Tamil, anyone can unmute and start speaking. Meantime, I will also share what are the other things we are doing now. So in Sustainable Lifestyle Hub, we also initiated the learning process through quiz programs. Okay, you can also participate. I will also share the link to you. You can participate at any time, and you will get the prizes also. That is just to encourage the people to participate and improve their knowledge. Okay, so great. So Tamil, anything? Okay, no problem. Ganesh and Sri Lakshman, anyone, if you have any challenges, you can also share. If something relevant to my experience and my expertise or my the area I work, my knowledge level, I can reply now itself. Yes, Ganesh. Yeah, if you like, you can unmute and just ask me. Like I will allow you to speak. You can share. Okay. So that's one thing. The second part is like if something you are coming up with like very unique expertise. For example, last week one of our participants asked about the key question on control system of wind turbines. So which I already connected with a few people. Like they will be coming and coming sessions. They will share about how it is, like how it is working, at least the higher level. So that's the idea. Yes. Anyone interested can share. Like otherwise, I will start sharing some of the other information with you. Then you can check it out. If you have any questions, you can also ask about that particular area. That we can do it. Okay. So don't hesitate, because it's very important. You participated. I appreciate, because you taken time this Saturday evening and joining here. That's itself very big thing. And if you want to share, please start sharing. No need to hesitate. Okay. So meantime, I will take the quiz related information, which you can use it for your future reference. It's not for now itself. I'm not asking you to do it now itself, but you can do it after some time, whenever you have free times. So this is a continuous learning process. What happened? So just I will share this quiz form. Now I'm audible now. Okay. So I guess I'm audible. So Ganesh, and yeah, thank you, Sri Lakshman. Okay, thank you very much for confirming, because I think Tamil lost in between my audio. So he said that's why I confirming with you. Thank you very much. So for Ganesh and Sri Lakshman, you can also, Sivakumar also join. So I welcome you to unmute and you can start speaking. So I can allow you to speak. So what about the quiz program? Quiz program, we launched already 3 programs. It's a very dedicated one to learn daily basis. It's a short term, like 1 week, 1 quiz you can attend. Like it will have consist of 10 questions or more than that. Some cases we shared about like real use cases, case studies, wind industry, what's happening. That also, yeah. Thank you for Tamil confirming. Okay, maybe it is network issue from your side, something like that. So thank you for confirming. Sivakumar, welcome. If you like to share any of your challenges and opportunities which you are facing currently, or you want to share any of wins during this time, you can also share. You are most welcome to share. I hope you are familiar with how to use this app. It's a big challenge. Last few weeks, I am seeing most of the participants facing the same challenges. Okay, very nice. Mr. Sokumar, I also send the quiz forms which we are using. You can take it after some time. But now, if you like to speak about or share your challenges and related to your work or something related to time management, how you have to manage any challenges, you can share. If any of the participant has the answer, they can also share. If I have like from my training experience or my previous experience, I can also share. And same time you can share the opportunity related, and then you can share your wins also. This idea. Anyone interested? Yes, Ganesh, I appreciate really. Welcome. Super, super. I think this is very, very important. Yes, Ganesh, you can unmute. Yeah.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't get to know how to unmute
Yeah,
till
I
now.
understood. Everyone faced this problem. Now you got it. Very good. Congratulations.
Yeah, I thought it was a raising hand button. Now
Okay.
I came to know that it's a unmute button. Sorry, sir. Sorry for that.
No problem. Okay. So
Hmm.
share about you and what you are doing, where you are working. If you have any challenges,
Uh,
please share. And if you come across any opportunities, or if you see any small win in this week, something you successfully completed, that also you can share. Please.
Sir, I don't have any questions like that. I joined only for your. I listened to your words.
Okay. Oh, nice. Anyway, no problem. Share about you. We
Yeah.
will see. Like you are written already a passionate storyteller, crafting memorial. Okay, please share.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, but recently I joined this field
Okay.
just only 9 months after joining
9 months.
here.
9 months means you might have a lot of questions.
Yeah, but in wind I have only 5 months of experience. Other 4 months in solar.
Wow, super. So you should have all renewable energy questions.
Renewable energy business research.
Okay. So anything like you can ask any questions related to like your daily work. What are the big questions you have not answered? Something like that.
Okay. Sir, in wind turbine, I commonly I used to see one arc flash detect error.
Okay.
Even in the ground, if any smoke is detected to the that sensor,
Okay.
will that turbine off, sir?
Smoke detector. Correct.
Arc,
Where
arc,
smoke arc detector.
arc light detector
Okay. So where it is located?
in the turbine nozzle near the
Turbine nozzle. Okay.
uh, uh, transformer.
Yeah. So basically, it has the sensing capacity with some distance. Correct.
Sir.
Okay. So within that distance, whatever it is detecting, it will activate. That's all. Very simple.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now, like any other challenges you are facing, like in your working time, time management related or anything related, you can also ask. Or
Mm, nothing like that, sir. I
okay,
just joined to listen to you.
okay. So thank you very much. Anyway, you for sharing like your and welcome to renewable energy sector. I really
Sir.
appreciate for taking decision to join the renewable energy sector, because it's one of the very important thing for all of us. We need a lot of resource people in renewable energy sector. The reason is the only one animal cannot live without electrical energy is human. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Even the coal is reducing now, sir.
Yeah.
In
Apart,
coming days, it may exhaust.
yes. So nice. So with that,
Sir,
I yeah, please go ahead.
and one thing we
Hmm.
don't have GW, sir.
Okay.
So I haven't gone up to the turbine.
Okay. Okay. So like you are working in O&M or which department?
O&M and project both, sir, but
Okay.
only one turbine commissioned, sir.
Only one turbine. You participated in only
Uh,
one turbine
uh,
commissioning, correct?
yes, sir. Just participated, sir.
Okay. Super. No problem. You just 5 months, you will get a lot of opportunities. But luckily, people like me, like 20 plus years before joining
Uh,
itself, we go to complete the climbing test to prove our fitness. Okay. So that was our experience. Cool. Super. Amazing. Super. Then I will ask one question to you. Okay. After this many months in,
Months.
yeah, few months, like 5 plus 4 months, you are here. So total
Sir.
9 months. Like, what is the biggest learning for you in this? 9 months? Biggest learning. Like you might
Sir,
be
in
thinking completely different before joining the renewable energy sector, but after joining, what was your biggest learning?
biggest learning is, sir, we say that renewable energy is a green field,
Yeah,
like the zero carbon emission, sir.
yeah.
But even though it contaminates land and so many other factors.
Wow, super, super. This is one of the really appreciable, noticeable, and very important point.
Sir.
I supposed to take one of the very important discussion today about the Siemens Gamesa now come up with like the more efficient tower manufacturing technique. Okay, maybe we will have the discussion on that particular topic in next time. But this is very concern, like very important question. We are not saying completely we are zero emission, but we are like compared to other energy generating sources, we are producing less carbon. Okay, this is very important. But what I like about your concern, like it's very, very important. We have to work towards less emission means really green energy means how much possible we should contribute like with a with less harm to our environment, less harm to other species. That's how we need to operate. Okay, super amazing. This is I appreciate this question. Really cool. Okay, only fresher can have such cuts to share such points. Okay, that's why I asked. Okay, super, super amazing. Keep that angle. Okay, keep in that like keep working in this angle. How I or yourself, you think yourself
Yes,
how
sir.
I can contribute to reduce such things. So that's very, very
Yes, sir.
important. You can start working in that angle. It's really amazing. Super question. If you like to learn more about such informations and what is the technology is coming, how we can reduce all those things, if you want to learn, surely you check our Sustainable Lifestyle Club website where I am adding continuously more and more content. You can see what are the new technologies coming, how you can share, and if you are subscribed, you will also get the email updates. You can see consolidated information about it. Just like I said about the carbon emission is reduced to 63% in the new way of creating the towers. Okay, means our wind turbine towers. That's what Siemens is doing. Like recently, the World Economic Forum shared this information. So it's one of the input I like to share with you. Super. I really appreciate this thing. Okay, thank you. And one more question I want to ask you. Like if
Yes,
something,
sir.
yeah, if something you see that yourself, you achieved something in this like 9 months, something you achieved, like you feel I
Yes, sir.
achieved this.
I haven't achieved, sir, but before 9 months, I was empty. Like
Okay.
just after the graduation, my mind was completely theoretical and empty. It was
Hmm.
how
Okay.
would we? I used to in the pneumatics. I used to see how the single acting cylinder works
Okay.
theoretically, but practically, I felt it, sir.
Oh, okay. So this is a great achievement. We have to recognize it. Okay. That's why I'm asking. Because what happened in India, many of us, even we achieved many things, we won't recognize ourselves. Okay.
Yes.
So that's the reason we are asking this achievement. Okay. Super. Now onwards, I request every day, even you are making small achievement, just appreciate yourself. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
you will get lot of positive energy that will help you to progress further. Okay,
Yeah, sure, sir.
super,
If
super,
if
Ganesh.
I can't be happy myself, how can I spread happiness to others, sir? In
Yeah,
the same
super.
way, if I don't
Super.
celebrate my success, I can how can I celebrate others?
Wow, super. Rightly said. Very nice. I really appreciate. Super. So daily basis, like these are all like look very simple. And when we are talking in this meeting, like we will speak, but really it is mean to us. Like if you are implemented daily basis, you will feel the difference very soon. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, please try to implement. That will help you a lot. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
If something else you want to ask,
Nothing, sir. I'll just listen, sir.
yeah, okay, super. I don't have anything like speaking to you only directly, but what I was
No.
expecting, like people should participate because
Yes, sir.
everyone
People
has,
should participate, sir.
yeah. So that is the ultimate aim. So we have Hussein also joined with us. It's really nice. So yes, welcome, Maula
Yes, sir.
Hussain. Yeah, thank you, Ganesh. Please stay in the listening side. If you want to ask something in between, you
Yes,
can
sir. Thank
also
you.
join. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, I welcome all participants. Like any one of you, like to join and share your challenges during this time in the wind energy as a working professional in the wind energy sector. Or if you like to share some of the opportunity you are coming across, you can also share. And if you want to share any of your wins for this month or this week or this year, also you can share. Any of you? Hussain, please, you can take it forward. Or Sri Lakshman, come on. It's not any formal office meeting. Okay. Okay, please come. I welcome you. Okay. Yes. Welcome, Sri Lakshman. Okay. Welcome. Yeah, hi. How are you, Sri Lakshman?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Welcome, welcome. So if you have any challenges or you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I can
Yeah,
see
I
you are a
have one
trainee
question.
engineer from Windcare. Yeah, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Super, super, cool. I'm really happy because this program mainly dedicated for the people who are just starting their career within 10 to 15 years of experience. They should participate and experts also join and they should share their experience. That's what ultimate aim for this. Super. Thank you for joining, first of all, because normally freshers won't get that confident to join such events. Please. Okay, please share about you and if you have any question, please share.
I have one of your experience in GE 1.7, 103 rotor wind turbine operating and maintenance in Raipur site. Our site have 59 turbines consist of phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 have 29 turbines, phase 2 have
Are you
30.
traveling? Can you keep your mic
No,
closer? Yeah, it's
my room nearby the fort. That's why it comes on.
okay. Okay. So if you can keep your mic very close to you, then we can hear you clearly.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Double feed induction generator, how working that online I know. That
Sorry.
voltage level, double feed induction generator.
Okay.
I know the online story, but in depth I don't know how it's on the voltage level like. I don't know.
Okay, so if I understood correctly, you want to know how the double fed induction generator is working in wind turbines and how the voltage levels everything managed, correct?
No, no, no. I know the online story, sir, but some data directly go to
No,
camera.
again, I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Can you hear me? No.
Yeah, yeah. Keep your mic closely and just keep your hand to hide like sounds from outside. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I know the online story, sir. That a scatter winding directly going to scatter
Yes.
from grid. Rotor, it's going to line inductance and line IGBT. Then
Okay.
it's rectified to DC.
Okay.
Then DC link. Then rotor IGBT. It's converting and directly go to rotor. That story I know, but how that voltage level, that frequency matching,
Okay.
those all that encoder getting feedback to
Okay.
some controllers. Then it's commanding that IGBT controllers. It's giving command to that story. All I know, but the voltage level, like scatter voltage plus or minus 15,
Yeah.
like that in that there.
Okay.
Rotor side, how much voltage is coming, going, that story I don't know.
Okay.
That's why
I really appreciate you are seeing this as a story. Okay. Really cool. Okay. Super. No problem. It's not a big deal. Like, you don't need to worry on this. Like, since you are already in operation and maintenance, like you get the opportunity to do attend any maintenance or some of the corrective action. If you take part, like you will get the opportunity to learn. Okay. So I'm not going to explain this now in this forum, but I will just you to visit our website also to see the all the things. But whatever the flow you have, it's really appreciable. Like within this 1.5 years of experience, you know, like from where to start, where it is going, what it is. Okay, that is very good. Now what we need to learn, how the actually the generator work, means technically, that we need to learn, and then from there how the wind means kinetic energy to your mechanical energy, and then how it is joining, like how you are getting the conversion, this flow only, you know, the now flow chart, I think you know very clearly what is the flow is going. Then section by section you can learn in detail. Okay, that will be very much helpful for you in the coming day. May I know who is connecting, like Swanand? Welcome sir. So it's a very nice question. I will also, please keep connecting with me. I will share the details. You can also read. Second thing is, if you have the O&M manual in your site, you can also read. And any electrical person who is doing this activity, you can also ask them. They can help you. Hi Amit, welcome. So in that way you can learn in detail, because some of the activities electrical engineers know, some of the things mechanical engineers know. So you can connect with those people and discuss, and you can initiate something like this in weekly knowledge sharing sessions in your O&M office itself, like means within the site itself, so that you can start continuously learning this process. Okay, thank you very much for this
Okay, sir,
question.
thanks.
Okay, so
Sir,
any
I have
other,
one question there.
yeah, please.
How to find a generator got repaired or generator failure? How to define technically?
How to find the generator failure, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is very important question. I also note it down, because I'm not an expert in every field. But what I do, like every questions we taken, these questions I will also call for the electrical engineers who are working in our renewable energy sector. So they will also come, and that time I will also invite you. You can also take participate, and you can get the answer from them. I can give general knowledge, general answers, but that is not good for us, because you are working in this field. So you need to get the exact answers from the experts. So I will note these questions. Also, I will give you a form where you can fill it out, like in our event description section. You can see there is a form, key challenges of wind energy professional. There is a form, you can take that form and you can fill it out. These questions, either I will make connect with industry experts and will make a video and share with you, or you can also participate in the consecutive events where our experts will share the knowledge to you. Okay, so anybody in this group, like you are expert in the turbines generator related, if anyone, please answer Sri Lakshman. I am expert in wind resource assessment and turbine performance management, and power curve assessment. At this part I am doing. Other things somebody else can help. Okay, thank you. I think I will take this question. I will get the answer to you. Okay.
Okay, sir,
Thank you. Thank you very much for these questions.
Please
Yeah.
explain about the power curve details. You can.
Okay, you want to know about power curve? Okay, super, cool.
I see it in SCADA.
Okay.
Wind x-axis have a wind speed, y-axis have a power. It's
Yeah.
one reference curve is there.
Yeah.
Another one, the performance, turbine performance curve, it's there.
Okay.
And just see it. I don't know about that.
Okay,
Yeah,
very
explain.
okay, super, very nice. You noticed in the SCADA data, it's whatever you said, it's right. So to know the actual performance of, means turbine performance, we also have one of the indicator is a power curve. Okay, so you rightly said x-axis we are taking wind speeds, which is we are using our national anemometer data, and for power we take the actual power produced by the turbine. Okay, during that 10 minutes data average. Okay, this data we are actually using. Just I am muting for your new somewhat noisy. Okay, so I'm just sharing. After that, you can unmute and then ask questions. Okay, so x-axis we are taking all the data is 10 minutes average data. Okay, whatever you are plotting, normally what you see in the SCADA. So 10 minutes average x-axis and y-axis we are taking the power. Okay, so these two data are used to like plotting the actual performance in the 10 minutes average wind speed and power. Okay, then you said there is a reference curve taken for the that particular turbine, which we called as a certified power curve. Okay, certified power curve which we are committing to the customer during the before the wind farm development, and this certified power curve is obtained either from any certifying third party like IEC, or by referring IEC standards. Many third parties are doing the evaluation and they do that and they give to us like a certification. Means whatever the design power curve given by the manufacturers during the certification process, they verify and confirm that it is performing as per their design power curve. That is we call it as a DPC. But during the verification, after the verification, whatever the document they are producing or what are the data our turbines are producing, that is we call it as a certified power curve. Okay, that we take it as for the reference. Normally we are not taking directly only the certified power curve. Again we do some other adjustment which is like site specific power curve. Means based on the air density of that particular site, again our power curve will be little bit vary. So that what we are considering for the as a reference power curve whenever we are plotting the our actual SCADA data and reference power curve. So which is actually called site specific power curve, which will be corrected to the air density of the site. So normally that particular site specific power curves will be presented to the customer before we are making the agreement. Okay, so this is the flow. So if you want to understand very clearly, before the market coming like a turbine coming inside like to the market, in the design stage we have the power curve which is design power curve. Like prototype, we do the testing and validation using like IEC-RE standard, and if they are coming to India, IEC-RE plus CWET also have some conditions. So combining this, we do the testing in this particular country, and then country specific assessment will be done. Then they provide the certificate with the measured power curve that we called as a certified power curve. Okay, so in this certified power curve at the different air density, like standard air density other than the site specific air density, it's presented as a table format which will be like given to the customer when we are going for the serial production of the wind turbine. That means turbines now available for the sales, anyone can purchase. That time we are giving that information to the customer. So those data like we call it as a site specific power curves, that will be taken as a reference power curve whenever we are doing assessment or the comparison with the actual performance happening during the site in the site performance. So this is what we are using. So you should remember three power curves. One is design power curve, which is R&D, all the teams know very in detail. Other than that, like there is a certified power curve, testing and validation done by third party referring to the IEC-RE, like IEC-RE, now it is IEC-RE 61400-12-1. Using that, they are giving the certification. In that power curve also one of the certification available. So those power curves at the different air density, we give it to the customer when the mass production started, means available for sales. That time we call it as a site specific power curves or the power curve agreed with the customer. So whenever there is a question arised from the customer side about the performance, then we use this third power core, like the certified power core, then corrected to the site specific air density, which is we called as a site specific power core, and comparing with the actual performance using the SCADA data, then we can prove our performance. This is a initial level, but there is a, if such in any case, if we have the agreement to prove as per IEC, then we again call the third party and identify some particular locations, and we install our mast, and measurement campaign will start, and then they will do as per IEC standard, whatever the recommendation is there in IEC 6140012-1. Then that validation is completed, then the report will be provided to the customer from the third party. That's we call this like then we solve the problem with the customer in terms of performance issues. Okay, so this is it about the IEC continuously, like IEC standard what we follow for referring or proving our turbines power performance. Okay, so anything on this? I like very short, I covered our whole process. If you have any specific question, just unmute and please ask me. Sri Lakshman.
Yes, sir. I understand
Yeah.
that power cow, that turbine performing lagging or leading, we want to perform means we check power cow, right, sir?
Yeah, right. If there is any problem with if customer is saying actually you committed this much, but your energy production is less, then we need to answer. So we need to answer means we have to check the power curve, all other parameters, blades, many things we will verify. One of the first thing easily we can verify is the power curve. If power curve is deviating or power curve is like not following our agreed site specific power curve, then we go to answer this. Super.
Oh, I understand, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you for this question. And I have a separate video also, 1 hour video in my YouTube channel. When you get time, you check it.
Oh.
Okay. So,
Okay, sir. I will check.
like if you want to learn exactly yourself, and we have the training programs also for the power core assessment and all. If you interested, you can also join. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Super. Thank you. Thank you. Any other wins? Like I want to ask one question. Any of the wins? Did you like achieved something in this week or in this month, a few months?
Few months. I have troubleshoot on turbine.
Okay.
Somebody going and replacing suspected converter, so they removed from another turbine. They suspected it's good or not, they don't know. They replaced that converter got failure. Then new converter they replaced it. That failure converter disturbed some circuits extra.
Okay.
We checked every connections. Then we found that new converter also failure.
Okay.
We checked other things all. New motor we replaced, new controller, new contactors, all. But fault is still cleared, still not cleared. So somebody said to swap converter. We swapped the converter. Then only we found that converter, new converter also got cleared. Due to the old converter disturbed some other circuits.
Okay. So, did you solve it or anyone solved it?
No, I am not solved. Somebody, I went 2-3 days. After that 4 days, different people's going. So they troubleshoot and restore the turbine.
Okay. Thank you. So this is the challenge still open. Okay, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you very much for sharing. Let us see if something we can share and we can get it like offline also we can discuss about it. Thank you very much. Swanand, like you like to share something about like your experience and any of the challenges you are facing or something you want to share, please. I hope you know how to unmute and yeah, welcome. Yes, please. Like there is an option to like ask for speaking. Like you can unmute and there is an option to if you want to speak, you can also raise the hands. Like I can then move you to the speaking. So you are a process control engineer. Okay, very nice, super, amazing. Like if you have any questions, please. This is one big challenge for everyone. Like using this tool itself, one of the challenge. Also, I shared one of the quiz challenge, especially for our renewable energy people, like wind energy people. There are 3 quizzes already launched. You can check it out in our the link I shared with you, Subhanand. There you can find like one is like learning more about turbine specifications, more details, on completely detail. Only one manufacturer I took, like that studies there. Another one is case study, like one situation is given to you, like based on the your department, you can answer that question. And third one is like we have very important, like very next one we launched, which is very close to all wind resource assessment. Please check that. You can also participate and you can also win the prizes, like based on how you are scoring. That's what we have planned, just to encourage the people to learn more this idea. Okay, so like Senthil Nathan is back. Yeah, thank you, Subhananda. If you possible, you can unmute and you can share about your any of the challenges or opportunities, something like that. Yes. Senthil Nathan K, welcome. So you can, if you like to share your challenges and experience and wins from this week or after the wind energy, you can also share. I see you are a specialist in onshore WRA. Okay, due diligence. Yeah, great. Super. Thank you, everyone. And I hope, like, if you have any questions, please, you can chat also, you can share, I will see. Otherwise, you can take this form link. You can also fill it out, which we can answer in the coming week. Super. Swanand, I also shared the form. I don't know whether you have, like how to connect, or is there any problem in how to join? I don't know. Like many participants facing that challenge, how to use this option. Okay, so with this, I also like to thank everyone who is participated today, and I request again, you can take any of the action plan. Like in this week, you want to learn something new, just note it down yourself now itself, and then you can start learning in the coming week. That will help you to progress from current status to next level. One thing, this is a one request from my side. Every week you will have some small target to learn new things. Like as I said, you can also learn about the new tower manufacturing facility, like methodology, which is now Gamesa is using, and it's claimed, like World Economic Forum is saying that it's going to reduce 63% than compared to the old way of creating the steel towers. So this is like amazing thing, actually speaking. So you can also try it out and learn these concepts. And if you want to share next time, you can also come here and share. Another important, like this is one of the key update I want to share about wind industry happening. Other than that, what we are supporting, like continuously, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. If you are aware about United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, just give me thumbs up. If not, I request you to check one of the resources. You can see at any time. Like that will help you to learn more about United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. India also like doing a lot of initiative to contribute to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Every countries, all 190 or every 193 countries leaders together, they created this one of the initiative to do. Okay, contributing, like 17 goals are created, all 193 countries from 2013 it is happening. I share the link to this. you can also learn the very important goal now. If we see as a renewable energy people, the goal number 7 is the one of the important goal for us. So every country now have their own goal for implementation process. In that way, India also having their own target of achieving these goals. Okay, I will share the link to you. You can also check it out. Maybe you already aware about it. If not, kindly check this UNSDG. In that goal number 7, actually we are very much focusing on as a renewable energy person. Apart from that, every goal is very important for me. The reason is as a human in this earth, we should be very responsible to take care of all the aspects. So all the 17 goals are very, very important for every one of us living in this earth, because human species exploiting the earth more than any other species. So we should be very conscious, and we should give the better world for the future. That's why UNSDG is there. India also contributing like lot, especially in the energy, getting the freedom. Energy freedom means depending on the sources, which is going to vanish in very soon. So from that place to moving to the sources which can for last for long. So that's one of the move from every country, and they are initiating. India also going in that direction. We already almost very close to 50-50 contribution from resources we are using for electrical energy production. So that's one of the key point I would like to share with you this time. And personally, again, I thank every one of you participating in this and taking your valuable time, especially Saturday evening. Everybody is busy with some of the lesser activity, but you took your valuable time and joined. I hope today the session added some of value to you. And if you want to add a lot of value during these sessions, actually we need a lot of participants so that people can share their ideas, knowledge, and we can have very good discussions, and we can get a lot of knowledge sharing happening within the wind energy sector. And why I am asking challenges, opportunities, and wins? There is a reason. Many times we don't celebrate our wins, and many times we don't share opportunity which we are coming across. We don't need this, but we don't share the opportunity with other people. Like last week, one of participants shared a lot of opportunity related to the wind energy openings, which is available in Japan and all the Asian countries. So it's really amazing thing. And possibly next week I will come up with a lot of opportunities available in the wind energy sector. Then challenges. Why we put challenges as a first one? It is because of alphabet, one reason. Second is like the challenges. If we know the challenges, then there are a lot of opportunities. That's the main thing I want to share with you. Like if I see, like India want to achieve energy freedom. So to achieve that, we need lot of technical people. Really, we need a lot of technical resource within India. Not only onshore, offshore, solar, and hybrid, and new energy sources. And everything we need a lot of resource people. So I am seeing this as a very big challenge. Also, I am seeing this as a very big opportunity. That is the main reason I am continuously, whatever the way I can share the knowledge, I am sharing. Okay. So I appreciate all of you for taking, coming here and taking your valuable time and joining here. And our next meeting already scheduled. It is available. You can check and you can find our next meeting also. There you can join. Otherwise, I will also share the link here. I'm not invited the people in advance because people will get confused when is the meeting. So every Saturday, 7 p.m. we are meeting. Please invite most of your friends and colleagues. This is not a formal meeting, but it's like a friends discussing and learning, and we will take it further so that the knowledge and experience flow will happen very smoothly, and it will help the bigger mission of United Nations Sustainable Development Goal and the implementation process of India. Why I am saying again and again India? Actually, in this process, implementation process, India's ranking is 121 out of 193 countries. Out of that, only 163 countries capable to capture all the progress data and they can submit. So India is capable country to capture all the data in the implementation process. We are submitting the data and we are in 121 place. 121 now. Okay, every year like the ranking is going down. Okay, means we are going below. So this is one of the worrying factor, and I believe we have very good human resources in our country. Only thing is if the flow happening means knowledge sharing happening very frequently within different platforms, and then it will really contribute to the country also. This is the ultimate aim. Apart from that, the very core idea is everyone in the renewable energy sector or whoever living in our country or the world, they should achieve the sustainable life. So that is a very important, and the many things are changing. So we have to take care all the part. That's the reason I initiated this part from as an individual level. What I can do, I'm initiating this. But you can also do it in your office level. You can invite your friends, 3, 4, 5 colleagues. Also, no problem. But you discuss and you exchange knowledge and experience and come up with new ideas and implement. That will going to contribute to the betterment of not only India and to the world, because every 7th person or 8th person is Indian. Okay, so it is like we have that much human resource. So that much value we need to add to the world. That's what I see as a responsibility from our end. Once again, I thank you everyone. We will meet in the next meeting. We have 6 more minutes. If you have any questions, please ask me, or we can wind up the session. Yes. Sri Lakshman, you were in between, you raised your hands. You want to ask anything, you can ask. Or Subhananda, please, you can also ask if you want to. Or you want to share any of your experience. I am really happy to listen to this. Super cool. Okay, so okay, if you don't have any questions or anything to share, then we can wind up this session. And once again, I thank you, all of you. The recording of this session means available in our YouTube channel. That's now going in, it is in live, but it will be not available. Okay, super. No problem, Subhanand. I am really appreciate you will be like this problem is with everyone. Like there is some challenge in either technology or some like your situation also something different. Thank you very much. Please join next week at 7 p.m. and you can invite more people. It's look like not very big meeting or not much people or something like that. But even we have 3 people, 4 people, if we exchange knowledge, that is going to help every one of us, and it is going to contribute to the betterment of us first, and then our family, and then our city where we are living, and then to the society. This is the flow. So we no need to worry about the numbers, and we have to continuously contribute. Like this is what I am doing from my school days. Now also I am continuing. So I should thank all my teachers and the people who are inspired me to knowledge, understanding the one thing, the world important, especially if you consider the human race, the very important asset we can give to next generation is knowledge. Okay, so that's how I believe, that's what I believe, that's why I am doing continuously this. Okay, thank you very much. I will share the link to stay for a few seconds. I will share the link to our YouTube channel also, where you can find this particular link, which is which will not available for access to other people. I guess only the participants can access. That's how we are planned in this way. Okay, one second. I will share this link to you, because you keep this link with you, because after this event we won't have, nobody else can access. People who have the link only can access. Keep this link with you. Okay, I am also shared with both of you. Thank you very much. Thank you both of you for staying till the end. And we can reconnect in the coming week, Saturday, 7 p.m. Possibly monthly once we can connect through Zoom also. Thank you. Invite all your friends. We can do better. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sri Lakshman.